and the game begins. What do you think of the game so far?
It's great. Watch the players play basketball.
Of course they are playing basketball. This is a basketball game.
They could be playing hockey.
This isn't even an ice rink. You play hockey on ice.
Well, they could be playing baseball then.
No, that requires a field.
Football then.
No, to play football you need an even bigger field and lots of equipment.
Okay, they are playing basketball. Personally I prefer hockey, baseball and football though.